Vishkar. How are you? Okay.
Who's your best friend?
My best friend is Sajini.
Are you in contact?
Yes, sir, Vishkar. I'm in contact with her still.
Hi, Vishal. Hi, Vishal. Happy Friendship Day. This is Vishak, my best friend. I like him so much. I play with him. I need friendship demand. I'm going to present it to my friend. I like her because we play together. Happy Friendship Day.
Isha, what do friends do together?
We play.
Who is a good friend?
One who did not make us to do bad. Who was your best friend?
I have lot of friends, but my best friend is your dad.
Are you having contact with them?
Yes.
Your best friend?
Shivani.
Why do you like to her?
Shivani எனக்கு நல்லா ப்ளே பண்ணுவா. அப்புறம் ஸ்நாக்ஸ் கொடுக்குறா. அப்புறம் எனக்கு கூட சேர்ந்து விளையாடுவா. கிளாஸ் ஷேர் பண்றா. அது எனக்கு பிடிக்கும்.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Gautamana.
Why do you like him?
We will play together and share our things. We are celebrating Friendship Day. Thank you. You are welcome. Happy Friendship Day. Yeah. Thank you. Who is your best friend?
Shweta.
You are in touch? Yeah.
Yes. Who is your best friend?
Best friend is Vaishnavi.
Why do you like her?
We will play together. Share our things. We are celebrating Friendship Day. Thank you. Happy Friendship Day. Happy Friendship Day. Best friend.
My best friend is Dikshana.
Band my friend. Daddy is my best friend. Who is your best friend?
Nitin is my best friend.
Who's your best friend?
Yes.
Why do you like him?
என்ன டாய்ஸ்ல ஷேர் பண்ணுவோம். எனக்கு வெளில போனா டாய்ஸ்லாம் வாங்கிட்டு வருவான். அதுக்கப்புறம் எனக்கு டாய்ஸ்ல ஷேர் பண்ணி விளையாடுவோம். எல்லாருக்கும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவோம். எல்லா படிக்கிறதுக்கும் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணுவோம். So I like him.